Hey guys, so we're doing a bathroom makeover today, Boho style, my favorite. So we're just walking in my bathroom now. It's simple. I got gold hardware and I got a pink rug going on. So here we are. It's very small, but perfect for just one person, me. Okay, so when you walk in here, I have nothing here. I do have some cute little gold soap things from Target, and I have some other stuff from Target. Some towels are from Target. The diffuser is from Target. I just love Target. And this ugly shower curtain, it's not from Target. It's from Walmart. Bamboo and this red bath mat. It's just not going well. Okay, I'm going to show you guys my mood board for this bathroom because I want it to be very cute, girly, calm, and a little bit of greenery. You feel me? These are all the things that I bought. I left some things out because I forgot to film it, but these are all the things that I bought for my bathroom. A lot of neutral palettes, my diffuser. Okay, this I love. Like, I'm obsessed with it. It's $13 at Target, and I've used it so much in my house. I'm going to show you how I started my first creation with it. So I got some gold acrylic paint, and I'm going to paint this command hook. It's a command hook because, hello, we're trying to get our security deposit, and I'm painting it gold. Now, the first coat is going to be a little bit crusty, so just keep working with it. This is a metal command hook, so the first layer, let it dry for a little bit, then the second layer, keep going at it, and then you can smooth it over and you'll be fine. So this is a moss I got. I'm putting it in the planter from Target, and I'm just tucking it in because it does fall out a little bit, but I got it from Dollar Tree. And look at that, it's cute already. So this first painting I saw on the internet, and it was like a boho pack on Amazon. So I was like, I can just do that myself because I have the materials. I got this small, tiny canvas from Target. It was about $2. I'm just finessing it up, making it look cute. Definitely try this at home. It's so easy and it looks so pretty in any space that you would like. All right, time for the DIY bookshelf. I got 3 command hooks, 1 bookshelf for $20 at Big Lots, and an Amazon plant. Link below. So, okay, my command hooks are crooked, but don't judge me. I got the bookshelf on here, and I'm going to roll some cute little rags up. Make it look cute, like a hotel, you know? I got these bath salts from Home Goods, and I'm just putting it in the old diffuser bottle to spice it up a little bit. And I also got the moss, and I put it in between just to make it look different. So you just put the plant on top and take some tape and tape down the little stalk part, and then use the leaves to hide it. It's so simple and easy. Like, look at the finished look. You didn't put no hole in your wall. This is perfect. So we got my diffuser from Walmart. My rags, or my bath towels, or maybe should I put tissue paper up here too? I don't know. But last but not least, these little hotel soaps. I finally have a good use for them. Am I the only one that takes hotel stuff? And the second painting is definitely from Safari again, like a simple line painting. Shout out to whoever did this. I'm just gonna amp it up a little bit for the bathroom. It's super easy. You can follow along. You could even trace it too if you wanted to. Okay, so we got the final painting here. This body had to be in my bathroom just to give that feel of a woman, you know? You just gotta spice it up. And now we have the final reveal. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know what you thought of this video in the comments. Peace out.